Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a Chevy Malibu. Stock number is A8234. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior. Makes for a comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise audio and Bluetooth controls. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Malibu on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.